If you've seen my earlier videos on structured references, then you would know the power they possess. Let's take a look at how do we use it with aggregate functions like SUMIFS, and that too with multiple conditions. In this table, we have data for different products sold through different channels across months. We need to find out which product sold how many units from different channels. The table name is tsales. I'll start by writing the SUMIFS function. The first parameter is the sum range. The data is in the column units sold for the table tsales. We will write tsales, open square bracket, and we get the names of all the columns. We know that as we copy the formula, we will need to fix the column units sold. So I will open another square bracket and then select units sold. Close one square bracket for the column name, type colon, and then rewrite the column units sold in square brackets. Close the square brackets for the table name. The next parameter is criteria range 1, and our first criteria is the column product. Again, to fix the reference, I will write it with table name tsales, open square bracket, followed by the column name product. Close square bracket, colon, then again the column name product with square brackets. Close the square bracket for the table name. Criteria 1 is the value laptop in the cell F8. We will fix the column reference F here, so that when we copy the formula to the right, we continue to refer to the values in the column F. For criteria range 2, we will select the column channel and fix the reference. And for criteria 2, I will select G7 and fix the row reference 7. That's it, and close the bracket for SUMIFS. Copy the formula across. And get the final result. As you saw, we did not select any cells using the mouse, we just typed the column names. Imagine if you were writing this formula on any other worksheet of this file. We wouldn't really need to look at the table to write our formula. So that's how easy it is to write formulas using structured references. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, and don't forget to subscribe our channel Analytics Success for more tips and tricks on Excel and data analytics. Thanks for watching.